Hi guys, welcome to my channel Qasim 786 Vlog. So today's topic is we are going to take a topic on this RMAN backup. So this is the topic. So we are going to take about like RMAN backup in Oracle database. So this command is same in for all the versions like from 10G to 19C. Yeah. So what all the backups are there in RMAN? In RMAN, we can take like full database backup is there. We can take spfile backup. We can take control file backup. We can take archiblock backup, and so many other backups are there. So if I take like all the topics, you will get confused. Like you will get confused. And this video is mainly for the freshers, those who are new to the industries for L1 DBS, so that they will be having some hands-on knowledge by seeing this video. So guys, like before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel so that I can post more and more videos like this. So yes, let's start with the session. So yes. So this is my database. So actually I'm connecting to my Windows machine. For connecting to the Windows machine, you have to log into your system command prompt. So it's nothing in search bar. You can type like CMD. Once you type CMD, you will get a prompt like this. So so it is directly connecting to my database. My database are stored in this path. So if I connect SQL plus slash as is DBA, it will connect to my database. So for connecting to database, you have to connect like this. But how will you check? How will you connect to RMAN? For that, give exit. So I came outside. So you have to type RMAN target slash. So before that, before taking the RMAN backup, you have to put your database in archive-log mode. First, you need to check whether your database in archive-log mode or not. So mode is nothing but once you enable this archive-log mode in database, so all this archive-log will be stored and those archive-log can be backed up. I will show you like where to find this archive-log. So for checking whether the database in archive-log mode or not, you have to type archive log list. See, here you can see like database log mode is low or no archive mode, right? Yeah. So database log mode is in no archive mode, right? And what are all the other ways you can check whether the database in archive mode or not? You can check like there are some other views are there like select from BDollar database views are there. There you can check the views archive log mode. For example, select name, comma open underscore mode, comma log mode from V dollar database, right? See, my database name is ORCL and it is in read write mode. So all like active database which is currently working should be in read write mode. Okay. So log mode is no archive log mode. So now what for taking this RMAN backup, main criteria is you have to put it in archive mode. So how to put that database in archive mode? So let's start how to put this database in archive block mode. Okay. For that, first you need to shut down the DB. For shutdowning the DB, the command is shut immediate. If you give this command, database will get shut down. So it will take some few minutes of time. The steps are like first you need to shut down the DB. Then you have to start up the DB in mount state, startup mode. Then only we can put the database in archiblock mode. So see, now it is database is closed and database is dismounted and it will be disconnected in few minutes now. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, so it is now the Oracle database instance is shut down. Now the DB is down. For example, if we try to connect the database, it won't connect. Let me check. I will show you. SQL plus slash assysdba. See, it is showing like it is connected to ideal instance, right? Yeah, now it is showing to ideal instance. So now first we need to put the DB in startup mount. Okay, mount. We have to put the database in mount. Startup MOUNT. So this command will put the database in mount. So we have like three stages for database. One is no mount. So that will be started till control file. Then it is mount. That will be like started until this data file. Then open. The last stage is open. So this topic we can see in the later part. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, now the database is mounted. So now check the mode. Archive log list. So still it is in no archive mode. So to make it in archive mode, the syntax is alter database archive mode. That's it. Uh, the database archive log. Okay. Yeah. Now it is mount. I mean, the database is changed to archive log. So checking that archive log list. See, right? So now our database in mount state. Select name, comma, open underscore mode from v dollar. 1 second. Can check the log mode from v dollar database. See, here you can see. So now the database mode is mount, and here we can see the database in archive log now. So I'm bringing up the database. Oh, I mean nowadays in mount state, I have to bring up to read write. For that, you have to type alter database open. Same command you can fire again. See, now the mode is changed. So this is about like how to change the database in archive mode. So next is like next topic. I will tell you like how to take this backup. So all these backups, this RMAN backup, full database backup, spfile backup, control file backup, archive log backup. So these backups are physical, like all are physical backup. And also we have like a logical backup. Backup. Logical backup is export import. Like It can be taken through exp dp. There also we can take user backup, comma table backup, and full db backup. Even we can take separate index, constraint, so many backups you can check in logical backup. Okay. So now we will start with how to take the control file backup. Before that, we will see like what are all the things are configured in this RMAN. For that, you have to give to check what are all the properties there in this RMAN. You have to type show all. See. So these are all the configurations properties which is there in this RMAN. For example, configure retention policy for redundancy one means it will keep the backup for 1 day. So after that, it will be deleted. And for example, we have to find where the backup stored in our database. I mean, for this database. For that, we can see control file location. It is given for this control file backup, and here we can see this location also. Configure control file backup default. So it is set to like see here configure device type disk parallelism one backup to backup set. So here it is set for default location. Here you can change the path also. That I will take in later topic. Okay. So now what we can do, we will see like how to take the control file backup. For taking control file is nothing but is a heart of the database where all the informations are stored about the database. Like in control file you can see the database name, you can see the data file path, you can see the sp file location, and each and everything whatever the changes you made in database. So all these thing you can find in this control file. Okay. So the control file we called it as like it is a heart of the database. So what is the command to take the backup of control file? Here we go. Backup current control file. You type this, it will take the control file, current control file backup. See here you can see where this backup is storing. You can see like in database, Windows. I mean, this is the tag name. So in D drive, it is storing here in this name slash data. I mean, in slash database, you can see the control file path here. For example, if we go to D drive, inside this is it is stored here. So this is how we take the backup for control file. So we go for next topic. How to take the SP file backup. SP file is nothing but first you need to see where the SP file will be stored. SQL plus slash as sysdba. You have to type to check the location of the SP file. You have to type show parameter SP file. Okay. So here you can see this location, see SP file. This is the name of that SP file, SP file orcl.ora. Here in this location, you can see like all the this is the initialization file to start up the database. Like using this file only, while database starts, it will check for this file. So this file have all the information, like even the control file where the control file stores and data file and all everything. Same like control file, it have all the basics set of informations to start up the DB. So using this SP file only, like database will start. Suppose if you don't have any SP file, DB can't be started. You have to start each and every time manually using the using like you have to uh, paste this path to start up this database. Using this SP file name, you have to start the database. Now here I'm simply giving like startup, right? So it is taking through this SP file only. So now how to take the backup of SP file? Simply type backup SP file. If you have this, it will take the SP file backup. See where it is storing. It is storing here. For example, if you go to this path, see I'm copying this, okay? If you go to this path, see inside this, where it was there. So in this location, see something. So here it will be stored. Like I will take it will take some time like to check all these things. So as we have very less time, that this I will take in next topic. So in Oracle, each and every topic is very large. Like for taking each topic, it will take a lot of time. So next, I have we have seen how to take this control file backup and how to take SP file backup, and then we will see now how to take full database backup. Full database backup means it will take the entire database backup. Okay. So for that backup, database plus archive log all. Archive log. So all won't come. See, it is taking the entire database backup. For example, even it is taking like this will take entire DB. Like it will take data file, temp file, everything. So it has taken data file, it has taken a temp file, and also it has taken SP file. Using this, you can the entire database backup can be taken. So next is how to take archive log backup. Backup archive log all. So this will take only the archive log backup. For example, we have like 20 log sequence. So all these 20 log sequence will be stored here. It's a database. Yeah, okay. So this is all about backup. So in this topic, we covered like how to put the database in archive mode, archive log mode, and how to take full database backup, SP file backup, control file backup, archive log backup, and also we have like so many other backup that we can take in later next video. So we have like incremental backup. So we have so many backups, and also we have this logical backup that this EXPDP that will take more time. So that we have to take this on next topic because same like this it will consume a lot of time for this EXPDB concept. So this I will post in next video. So next upcoming video I will post about this logical backup. So for this, for seeing all this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't and also share and subscribe to my channel, and also ask your friends to subscribe so that they can also learn all this basic stuffs. So that's it for the day. Thanks, guys. We will see in next video. Thanks for watching.